Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Queen of Natural Remedies channel. In this video we are going to get rid of spots, blemishes, and at the same time we are stretching our face. Get rid of wrinkles, dark spots and blemishes, and also under eye wrinkles, acne. This mask is really easy to make but really effective. I really like drinking Turkish coffee. If you have Turkish coffee, it will be perfect, but if you don't have, you can also use grinded coffee. I drank my coffee and now it's time to make this perfect mask. I got the rest of the coffee into a bowl. 1 spoon of Turkish coffee and egg white. Egg white is perfect for clarifying our face and stretching your face. 1 egg white and mix egg white and grinded coffee well. And now salt. Yes, as you see, I'm going to add some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. We will clarify our face, our black spots. Mix them well. The ingredients are really easy that you can all find at your kitchen. And now sugar. 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And mix them all well. It's okay. You can apply the mask all over your face and especially your hands. You should make this mask, apply the mask also on your hands, because our hands also show our real age. It may have oldness spots and wrinkles. The mask also has peeling effect, so I like it. You should do this mask before you sleep, because you shouldn't get sunlight directly, because we are peeling our dead cells. Wait for 20 minutes, then wash your face and your hands, first with warm, then cold water. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Queen of Natural Remedies, and open notification part, and you can choose many language. If you touch CC button on the right top side of the video, you can activate subtitles, and by touching 3 dots on the right top side of the video, you can choose many languages that you want to follow the video. It will be so much easy to follow it. Now, as you see, my mom has a better skin with this easy but effective mask. I cleaned her face firstly, then apply it all over her face, her décolleté, under eyes, but be careful while applying under the eyes. Our skin will be much more sensitive with this mask, so be kind while applying it, but also use the peeling effect, especially on nose. We have black spots. This will help you to get rid of these black spots. After 15 or 20 minutes, wash your face. My mom says that it really makes my skin fresh. After the mask, you can use any moisturizer, especially natural ones will be perfect that we prepare at our home. You can watch the other videos of me with this natural homemade cream part. There are many creams that I prepared at my home. Hope you give it a try to this perfect but easy mask and get a better glowing skin. Hope you like it, my dear friends. Love all of you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.